Hi, I'm Katie from ShopWildThings. I wanted to show you our new Deluxe Queen Rose Bush. It's 17 inches tall, it has 10 flower heads, and they come in 19 different colors. That's what we have so far. I think we're actually adding more because they're so beautiful. We just can't believe it. So several of them, you'll notice in the main images on the website, have variations of colors. So they'll look just like that when you get them to you. Some of them are solid colors. So these are just the pinks that we have. Tons of pinks. Lots of different, this one almost looks like an ivory, but it's a soft pink. Absolutely gorgeous. And they can be mixed. I mean, look how pretty those look. I think I'm holding 7 different colors there, but really, really gorgeous. We also have several different reds. So 2 different reds. A true red, and the edges here are dark. I don't think this is going to come across in this photo or in this video, but the edges are dark, and then it's solid color in here. So really beautiful. Same with this maroon. This maroon has almost black on the edges, just a very subtle bit of black on the edges, and then it's maroon, or more burgundy rather. So absolutely beautiful. These leaves that are on them are very dark, so they don't look cheap and fakey, and they're bendable. So these are on wire. The stems themselves are on wire. If you want to cut these apart, you could use them as they are and use them in a bouquet or in a centerpiece, make a floral backdrop. But you could also cut these apart if you'd like, and you've got, for the price, I can't believe that you're going to get 10 of these beautiful roses for the one price. If you cut them apart here, then you can place them however you'd like in your bouquet. Here are blues and purples that we have. So several different colors here. And we have ivory and white. And then a very strong yellow. That's really popular right now. And this would be, again, just cut them apart if you'd like to mix them with other colors. And then this cafe, this has maroon on the bottom and sort of a light brown or peach on the outside. So let us know what you think. We think that you're going to adore these. You can add, we have everything really you need to add to these to make centerpieces. You could use them alone and just use the several, together. They can tuck into each other, and you can, mix the colors up. This is probably not the best color combination, but you can kind of twist them around each other, and there you go. What did that take, 10 seconds? But we also have eucalyptus, we have all kinds of hydrangeas. We have a lot of different pieces that you can make a big, beautiful, Pinterestable centerpiece. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you're always alerted when we have new products.